Good morning, baby girl. How you been? How you slept last night? We have to sit down real quick. We gotta get to a talk right now. Listen, you've been wasting way too much gas, and I just want to know what's wrong with you. Like, what do you need? Just talk to me. Is it oil you need? Gas? Something wrong? Do we have to take you to the doctor? Is it oil? Oh, it is. Okay. Listen, let me go get something for you real quick. I'll be back. That fresh Liqui Moly. I know you like that. This is like a fresh bottle of tequila. 1942 Don Julio. You like that, baby girl? You like that? Let me see. You want more? Oh, you do. Word. What? Welcome back, boys. Welcome back to another video. Today, we're gonna do something simple. We gotta do a little oil change on it. She's been asking for a little quart of oil. She actually has been leaking some oil, but we'll get to that later. But it's not what you think. But at that note, let's go get to the mechanic shop, change the oil out, and get the baby ready to keep going. Let's go. So first things first, guys, we need to go get gas. Car's been wasting a little bit too much gas recently, but that is because our low pressure fuel pump is going out. But that is on the list to, upgrade eventually. We gotta get out of a few things first, but gotta go get gas. There's a gas station by me that has premium gas, 93 for $4.13. But the one that's right in front of it has it for like $4.45. So you guys know where I'm going. We're only putting $20 gas. I'm at the local BP, and like I said, $4.13. And trust me, I am not gonna say no to that. She loved that, don't she? If you didn't know, explicit stickers on the whip. Feel me? So yeah, right now we're on the way to go get an oil change. It's been about 3,000 miles. I do my oil changes every 3,000. I don't want to run into any surprise oil starvation issues or any issues in general. I have noticed that I have lost some oil this time, so in my discovery of looking through my engine bay, I realized that a small little gasket on the oil filter housing gasket is leaking and making my engine dirty, and we hate a dirty BMW. We hate a dirty BMW engine. But on that note, eventually, like in about 2 weeks, we'll get that sorted out. Guys, and tune in with Sticks. Sticks and me did a video of him driving the 435 and I was driving the 440, and it was interesting. It was interesting. I'll give you guys a little glimpse of it. Same skin, different car. That's all I'm gonna say. Same skin, different car. If it makes sense, it makes sense. If it doesn't, sorry about it. So guys, we made it to the shop. We're here. About to just pack her on into the alignment rack, pick her up, and give it a good little pristine oil change. Get your microfiber towel. Gotta open this a little bit, loosen up your filter. That is the Motor Sports, boys. Now we just gotta put the car up. Can you open the... yeah. So at this point, guys, we're gonna raise up the car. We wanna get into the car for an easier access, and if you have a lift, this is great, but you can also do it from your jacks. You wanna get your oil capture. To remove your oil drain plug, you're going to use a 17mm socket, and it shouldn't be torqued down too bad. But after that, your oil should come out just like this. So now opening up the K&N filter, the K&N filter is going to come with your filter, your 2 O-rings, and your crush washer. Your crush washer is the first thing you're going to use. You're going to take your crush washer and put it on your oil drain plug. And after that, we're going to reinstall it into the car. So you guys did not see me do it, but what we did was we torqued down the drain plug by hand first, got it all the way in. Then we used a 17mm with a ratchet, and we torqued it down to where it felt acceptable. Don't overdo it. You do not want to strip your drain plug. After that, just take a rag, clean everything off, and let's move to the top. Our next step is going to be to remove the oil filter cap. Be careful, it could still be hot. After that, you want to be careful as well and also remove the filter that is still in the oil filter housing. You must check the filter afterwards so you can check for any particles and get into the filter since you're already throwing it out. Pick up your oil filter cap and remove both O-rings. The smaller O-ring is going to need you to use a trim tool to remove it, and just like that, she'll eject out. After removing the old O-rings, please install your new O-rings. They are now new, so they're both flexible, so it's going to be easy to put them both on. So for the small one, you will not need to use the trim tool again to reinstall it. Now let's grab our filter. We're going to use the new oil to lube up the filter on both sides, and that way we know the filter is properly lubricated when we're reapplying it. Put it back into your oil filter cap and place it right back into the engine, and let's start down the torque down process. Use your hand at first, and then use your ratchet.
Are you doing a good job? I think so.
When torquing down the oil filter cap, don't torque it down too much. You'll get to a point where you'll feel that it just stops, and that's where you should stop. Now go grab your oil and start filling your engine, and it should take about 7 quarts of oil, or exactly 6.8, but you could just give it 7. Now reinstall your engine oil cap. And since we're already in the area, let's clean up any mess we have or anything that might still be dirty. Inventory check, make sure nothing's coming out from here, nothing's leaking from here. Get under the car, nothing's leaking from here. Everything seems pretty solid. That's a job well done. So after you finish your job, do measure your oil out, make sure you're at max, make sure you're not missing anything, make sure the car is not having any errors, no codes. And after that, you're done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, share this video if you fuck with me. And on that note, see you guys next time. Peace out. Just like that, it's a job well done, boys. Let's go.